take away the old.
The old one, yeah. Good morning internet, it is 7:05 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. It has been the coldest night camping so far. It was colder than in Iceland. It was absolutely freezing. You can probably see from how swollen my eyes are how cold it was, because my eyes tend to swell a lot when I camp, and the colder and the damper it gets, you can tell by the eyes. Now I think this is really the limit to what is possible with my gear, with my sleeping bag and everything. Yeah, I barely slept. My toes are still feeling like they're gonna fall off. Temperature must have been around 0, I think. Now with the sun out, it's a lot better again. If it stays this temperature, the more north I get, I don't know if I can keep on camping, because it was so cold. Anyway, I'm boiling some water for coffee right now. No egg breakfast today. Bringing eggs on the Tet was maybe pushing my luck a little bit too much. After I finish this, I'll show you on the map what the plan is for today. Who invents a spoon? Like, this is one of those fold-up things, but like, who invents a spoon which folds like this? Because when you try to... This just doesn't work! So the plan, so in the last video I wrote this bit, and then I was riding the Tet on this part, and now I'm somewhere here. And my plan was to change my tires in Luleå, which is here, which is quite close to the border with Finland, which is here. But since it will take forever to get dual purpose tires here, today I'm riding to Umeå, and then I'm hoping to get the tires there. They should be ordered by now. So from here I'm just going to ride straight to the coast. And this is actually a very beautiful, or supposedly very beautiful road. So I was going to ride that anyway. So that will be about 380 kilometers to Umeå today. Okay, let's go to Umeå. They're making some super ultra smooth asphalt here. Wow, I actually never seen that before like this. Seal the fire? Hi. So I'm now riding on the E4, and this runs past Sweden's high coast. And it's actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of the distinct cliffs and rock formations here. And it's a beautiful area. It runs for 100 kilometers along the coast. And I think I'm now right at the beginning of it. Oh, I found some gravel forest road again. Oh, I love riding like this. Wow. What an amazing views from here. And I found another nice road. Wow, look at the view these people have from their houses. So nice. Alright, there is a restaurant somewhere around here. So I'm going to see if I can have a lunch there, because I completely ran out of food. Here, I think. Looks nice. But closed. I think. Yeah, looks closed. Vi har stängt för denna säsong. Vi öppnar igen nästa vår. That's a shame. Wow. Let's have a look. What a nice place. Brandutrustning. Wow. Would love to take one of those boats. Now this is also closed. I don't know what's up. Alright, we'll just soldier on then. Found another trail. Or well, actually, I didn't quite find it, but Maps.me sent me over this, over this trail. It's nice though. Look. I don't think a lot of people use this road anymore. Probably it's the shortest way, so that's why Maps.me sent me over it. Let's see if this is open. So this is for lunch. This dish is actually called the Flying Jacob, and it's a dish that used to be popular in the 70s in Sweden, and it's chicken with banana, which sounds a little bit like a funny combination, and then with cream and then peanuts on top, and then with rice. But it looks really good actually, and it also smells good. Oh, that is fantastic. Alright, well that Flying Jacob was super delicious. I was thinking chicken with banana and peanuts, but it was really good. So it's 132 kilometers to go to Umeå, and I'm going straight to that motorcycle shop that I called yesterday for the tires. I promised them that I would step by because they obviously had to order a set of tires for this random person from the Netherlands that called them. So I'll just go there and yeah, have a chat there and then find a place to stay. So let's do that. I think I'll just take the E4 from now. I've spent a lot of time riding these back roads, which was really lovely, but now I just want to get moving a little bit. So, welcome to Umeå. Nice bike. Here it is.
You have arrived.
Oh. Oh wow. Alright, very nice people here. And so the tires were ordered, and if I'm lucky, they'll be here tomorrow. And if not, the day after, so that's not bad.
Turn right, then you will arrive.
Look at these clouds. They are mean. So I'm going to stay in a small cabin, which is lovely. I do not want to camp in the rain again. Let me see. 76. This one. Oh, this is so sweet. Perfect. What more do I need? Nothing. So I just got a phone call and the tires are here, and I can immediately come and then they will put them on. So that is super great. I'm so happy. Then it is now around noon, so they can put the tires on, and then tomorrow morning early I can leave and hit the road again. It was quite good staying here for 2 days. Good opportunity to get some laundry done and just that sort of thing. Hi. Hi. So while Ronin gets a set of new shoes, I thought I'll show you this motorcycle shop, because the interesting thing here in Sweden is that because the motorcycle season is so short, so they can only ride between May until September, something like that, the shops kind of need to have other business as well to, yeah, make some money throughout the year. So what they have here is like these snowmobiles. And upstairs they have a lot more. I'll show you. But check out these babies. These are super cool. Look at that. So yeah, I am considering coming back to Sweden in winter one day, and then just, I don't know, travel around Sweden on one of these. How awesome would that be, hey? They don't really have a lot of adventure bikes. That's the funny thing, like they all have street bikes here. Everybody rides street bikes. I'm like, why don't you want to ride in the forest? But yeah, they do have this V-Strom. Some Harleys. Oh, there's a Honda. But yeah, it's not like a big, not a lot of adventure bikes at all. Ninja. Okay, they have a Transalp. What's your name?
Matthias.
Matthias. Nice to meet you. That you did that fast. Already one wheel was already off.
Are you there yourself or with some friends?
Alone.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, having a machine makes it really much easier, right?
Don't take away the old.
The old one, yeah. You work here since a long time?
Here I've been, I think, 3 years.
3 years.
But on similar Yamaha, I was 8 years, and I've been mechanical all my life.
Okay. But what do you prefer, work on a motorcycle or on the snow?
Snowmobile.
Yeah? Why?
I don't know. That's what I think is funnest to drive.
More fun
Yeah.
to drive, but to work on also.
But it's a little bit, what do you say? It's cheaper built.
It's
and
easier.
Motorcycle is more things is better quality on motorcycle. It's much better.
Better quality.
Oh
Ah, yeah. The snowmobiles don't last very long.
no, they have tough life.
Short, tough life.
Yeah. I haven't driven so much in several years,
Ah,
but
but you have a bike?
not now. Not now.
Okay.
It was actually pretty long ago, but when you work here, you can buy.
You can you can ride bikes. Bye. Ronin got some new shoes on. So happy that this is done. Now I don't have to worry about that for quite some time. So that's really nice. So now I'm just going to fill her up on petrol, get some groceries, and then have everything ready so tomorrow morning I can leave early. So I am back at my little house, so that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next episode.